A guide to becoming a successful freelance bookkeeper. A guide to becoming a successful freelance bookkeeper. If you're someone who loves working with numbers and has a passion for helping businesses stay on top of their financials, then becoming a freelance bookkeeper may be the perfect career for you. So, let's dive in. To become a successful freelance bookkeeper, you'll need to have a variety of skills beyond just understanding accounting principles. One of the most important skills you'll need is attention to detail. As a bookkeeper, you'll be responsible for ensuring that financial transactions are accurately recorded and that financial reports are error-free. This requires a high level of attention to detail and the ability to spot errors quickly. You'll also need to have excellent organizational skills. As a freelance bookkeeper, you'll be working with multiple clients and keeping track of their financial transactions. This means that you'll need to be able to manage your time effectively and keep accurate records of all financial transactions. In addition to these skills, you'll also need to have strong communication skills. As a freelance bookkeeper, you'll be working closely with your clients and providing them with regular reports on their financial status. This requires the ability to communicate complex financial information in a way that is easy for non-financial professionals to understand. Finally, you'll need to be comfortable working with technology. As we mentioned earlier, bookkeeping software such as QuickBooks and Xero are essential tools for any freelance bookkeeper. You'll need to be comfortable using these tools and keeping up with the latest advancements in bookkeeping technology. Now that you have the skills you need to become a successful freelance bookkeeper, it's time to start building your business. One of the first things you'll need to do is decide on your pricing structure. This will depend on a variety of factors, including your level of experience, the complexity of the work, and the industry you're working in. Once you've determined your pricing structure, it's time to start marketing your services. This can be done through a variety of channels, including social media, networking events, and online job boards. It's important to have a strong online presence, as many businesses are now searching for bookkeepers online. When you start working with clients, it's important to establish clear expectations from the beginning. This includes outlining your services and pricing structure, as well as setting expectations for communication and reporting. Finally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest advancements in bookkeeping technology and regulations. This will help you stay competitive in the industry and ensure that you're providing your clients with the highest level of service possible. If you're ready to start your career as a freelance bookkeeper, there's no better time to get started. With the right skills, tools, and business strategy, you can build a successful bookkeeping business that allows you to work from anywhere and help businesses stay on top of their financials. By following the steps we've outlined in the blog article link in description below, you'll be well on your way to building a successful bookkeeping business. We hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to check out our blog article for more tips and strategies on building a successful freelance career. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on building a successful freelance career.